Are you looking to keep your files private on your Windows 10 PC? Maybe you have sensitive documents, photos, or personal data that you don't want to share to others. Luckily, you can lock a folder to add an extra layer of security. In this video, I'll show you a couple of ways to lock a folder on Windows 10, keeping your files safe and private. So method one is to using a built-in folder encryption, which is called BitLocker. So first you have to right click on the folder you want to lock, then click properties. Under the general tab, click advanced, then check the box that says encrypt contents to secure data. You have to click OK and then apply. You will be prompted to confirm encryption. You have to click OK again, and once done, you have to note that BitLocker is available in Windows 10 Pro only or the higher versions. If you are using Windows 10 Home, you have to skip to next method, which is to use a third-party app for a folder locking. So if you are using Windows 10 Home or you prefer a more straightforward method, you can try third-party apps like Folder Lock or WinRAR to lock a folder. And here's how you can use WinRAR to do that. First of all, you have to download and install, and then right click on the folder you want to set lock to and select to add to archive. And in the archive window, you have to click set password, enter the password, and make sure to check the box for encrypt file names. You have to click OK to finish. And now your folder is logged inside the archive and no one can open it without password. And that's how you can lock a folder in Windows 10, whether you want to use built-in approach or you want to use third-party apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tech videos like that. If you got any question, you drop them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.